Hello and welcome all students. Students, we are going to continue with the chapter circle, chord and arc. In the previous video, we had seen that what is a circle. I hope students that you are having your textbook along with you, a notebook and a pen. So let's begin with chapter number 17, circle, chord and arc. Just let's revise at what we had learned earlier. Student, this screen which has been given in front of you, that you have to write it down. You have to draw the circle as it is been given, and the important parts whichever has been written down, you have to write it down in your notebook before you start with the exercise. A circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. It is being denoted by letter O. And the fixed distance is called as the radius. Here you can see OC. The radius is also the segment joining the center and any point on the circle. Like OC is the radius, OA, OB are also the radius. A chord is a segment which joins any two points on the circle. A diameter is a chord which passes through the center. You can see XY, that is a chord that is joining any two points on the circle, and a diameter which is also known as the largest chord of the circle, and that is passing through the center. An arc is a part of the circle. The measure of an arc is equal to the measure of a corresponding central angle that we have seen about. So let's just go with it fast. There are three types of arc: minor arc, which is lesser than 180 degree, major arc, which is more than 180 degree, and semicircle arc, or you can see a semicircle that is equal to 180 degree. Now let's see the first property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisect the chord. Any perpendicular line which is being drawn from the center and it is coming to the chord, whichever is the chord, it bisects the chord. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. So in the given figure you can see O is the center of the circle and AB is the chord. So here it is saying that segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore, length AM is equal to length MB, that is half of the length AB. So this is the property, students, that based on these properties we are going to solve our exercise. And these properties are to be remembered by the students, because whenever the chord or whenever the circle chapter will be done, it will be helpful. The segment joining the center of the circle and the midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now in the previous one, पहले ये बताया गया था कि जो perpendicular draw होता है वो chord को दो equal part में divide करता है. Second point में ये बताया गया है कि जो segment, जो line और midpoint of the chord को join करता है वो perpendicular होता है. Now just see over here. Here it is shown that it is a perpendicular, so that is why it is dividing into two equal parts. So यहाँ पे उसका vice versa है, उल्टा है कि दो पार्ट इक्वल है, इसके लिए OM perpendicular है, मतलब 90 डिग्री है. In the figure O is the center of the circle and segment AB is the chord and M is the midpoint of the chord AB. Then segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. This is saying that measure of angle OMA is equal to measure of angle OMB, that is 90 degree. So students, over here OMA means this 90 degree and this also to be the 90 degree. So here it has been showing that it is since perpendicular, so इसके लिए ये दोनों पार्ट इक्वल होने चाहिए. और here it is been showing that because it is equal, it has to be perpendicular, मतलब उसका उल्टा. So students, remove your notebook and pen and remove your maths textbook. Come to page number 116. We'll start with the practice set 7.1. Practice set 7.1, the first one. In a circle with center P, chord AB is drawn of length 13 cm. यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि AB की जो लेंथ है वो है 13 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब AB इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. सेगमेंट PQ bisects chord AB, then find length QB. मतलब हमें ये जो लेंथ है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. So how are we going to solve it? Length AB is given, that is 13 centimeter. Here you have to write it down given as a reason. Segment PQ is perpendicular, is perpendicular to chord AB. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisect the chord. ये हमारा ये जो है, this is our प्रॉपर्टी. ये हमारी प्रॉपर्टी है जो आपको याद करनी है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, प्रॉपर्टी जब आप कर रहे हैं तो द प्रॉपर्टी हैज़ टू बी वेरी एक्यूरेट. वर्ड्स यहाँ से वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आपने लिखने में गलती कर दी है, प्रॉपर्टी लिखने ही में गलती कर दी है, तो योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. सो लेट्स गो फर्दर. लेंथ QB इज इक्वल टू हाफ लेंथ AB, दैट इज गिवन एज पर द property as per the formula. So therefore length QB is equal to half into 18, therefore length QB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Therefore length QB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. In the second question we see radius of a circle with center O is 25 centimeter. Is already given that the radius, that is OD, that is 25 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 48. Okay. तो हमें दिया है कि 48, that is CD the chord. Now PD is what? It will be the half of CD, that is half of 48, that will be 24. So PD is equal to 24. We have to find the length, that is OP. So here length OD is equal to 25 centimeter and length CD that is given to us, that is 48 centimeter. So segment OP is perpendicular to chord CD. यहाँ पे दिया है कि वो 90 डिग्री है. Now this is the formula that you need to learn. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord. ये जो statement है student, ये वाला statement जो है ये आपको अच्छे से याद करना है. Okay, so that is given. So according to that, length PD is equal to half into length CD. So length PD is equal to half into 48. So therefore length PD is equal to 24 centimeter. In right angle triangle, अगर हम यहाँ पे triangle ले रहे हैं, this is our triangle OPD. So it's a right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. Length OD is equal length. According to the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse side square is equal to the sum of the sides square of the other two sides of the triangle. तो अगर hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, तो other two sides कौन सा है? यहाँ पे OD जो है, you can see OD is the hypotenuse और यहाँ पे दूसरा साइड है OP और PD. Okay, so length OD square is equal to length OP square plus length PD square. So 25 square is equal to length OP square, जो हमें पता नहीं है कि उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, plus 24 square. The square of 25 is 625 and the square of 24 is 570. So 625 minus 576, that gives us 49. 49 is the square of 7. So students, यहाँ पे this is very important to know. Here the square is given. Square है तो ये 49 है. Okay, this is 49. लेकिन जब हमने यहाँ से उसका स्क्वायर निकाल दिया तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट साइन आपको डालना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. दिस इज़ अ स्क्वायर रूट साइन. ओके, क्योंकि आपने स्क्वायर एक जगह से निकाल के दूसरी जगह पे स्क्वायर रूट डाल दिया है. ओके, सो लेंथ OP, सो द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 49 दैट इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. So the distance from the chord of the center is 7 centimeter. मतलब यहाँ पे it is के जो OP है यहाँ पे that is 7 centimeter. Now we see with the third question. O is the center of the circle. Find the length of radius. If the chord of the length is 24 centimeter, is at a distance of 9 centimeter from the center of the circle. Now student, you can see the figure over here. यहाँ पे ऐसा दिया है कि AB that is the chord that is 24 centimeter और O और यहाँ पे दूसरा alphabet is not been given. Okay, तो हम ले लेते हैं P. Okay, the perpendicular bisector we can take as OP. Okay, so OP is 9 centimeter. So AB that is given to us that is 24 centimeter. Let's segment OP bisect chord AB because यहाँ पे जो bisect हो रहा है, जो point जो है mid वो हमें नहीं पता है, तो we have taken it as P. So therefore length OP is equal to 9 centimeter. Again we need to write the property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisect the chord. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. So length AP is equal to half length AB. Length AP is equal to half into what is the value of AB? Very good, it is 24. So length AP is equal to 12 centimeter. Now since it is a perpendicular, so it has to be 90 degree. In right angle triangle OPA. See students, O, P and A. We can take here O, इसे हम ले लेते हैं P. Okay, P सही से हाँ, I have written it down और A. So here we have O, P, A and here we will draw line. तो ये हमें मिल गया है. We know AP is what? Half of AB. तो अगर AB is 24 तो half of 24 will be 12. इसका मतलब है कि AP is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. OP भी हमें मिला हुआ है. OP is what? Is already given 9. So now what we need to find it out? We need to find the hypotenuse, that is OA. Okay. So in right angle triangle OPA, by the Pythagoras theorem, we have that length OA square is equal to length OP square plus length AP square. Length OA square that we don't know, but we know OP and AB. So OP is 9 square, that is 81, and AP the length is 12, so its square is 144. Therefore length OA square is equal to 81 plus 144, that give us the answer as 225. So therefore length OA is equal to the square root of 225. So therefore length OA is equal to 15 centimeter. So यहाँ पे we got the radius of the circle. Actually ये है क्या? It is actually the radius. OA अगर हम देखें तो वो radius है, okay, of the circle. So we come to know that the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. Now we see the fourth question. C is the center of the circle whose radius is 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 centimeter. Now student, the chord is given to us, that is 12 centimeter. The radius is also been given to us. Now what we need to find? The distance between the center and the chord. तो OB it has been given, AB is that is 12 centimeter. तो AM कितना होना चाहिए? हाफ होना चाहिए, that is 6 centimeter. हमें रेडियस भी दी गई है, that is AC, that is 10 centimeter. So let segment AB be the chord and segment CM perpendicular to chord AB as shown. So student, over here there is no figure, so you need to draw the figure. आपको पहले फिगर बनाना है और फिर उसके नीचे आपको सॉल्व करना है। बाकी सब क्वेश्चंस अगर आप देखेंगे तो ऑलरेडी फिगर्स है, लेकिन फिर भी टू अंडरस्टैंड यू नीड टू ड्रॉ द फिगर ऑल्सो ऑफ द सर्कल। सो आई होप स्टूडेंट दैट ऑल योर डाउट्स आर बीन क्लियर्ड हाउ टू राइट इट डाउन इनटू द बुक। पहले जो इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट मैंने जो प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको बताया था, दोज पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन, you have to draw the figures also as and when being told to you, and then you have to solve it. Okay, so let's begin with, let the segment AB be the chord and segment CM perpendicular to chord AB as shown, therefore length AM is equal to half length AB। उसका रीज़न क्या लिखेंगे आप, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisect the chord। स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है, अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी आपने नहीं लिखी है तो आपके मार्क्स कट होंगे। सो प्लीज़, दिस सेंटेंस इज एक्चुअली वेरी इजी। द परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू इट्स chord bisects the chord। We'll repeat again, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord। Okay, then length AM is equal to half into 12, so length AM is what, 6 centimeter। Now we take the right angle triangle, the triangle is CMA, you can see here CMA, here we have at angle M, that is right angle triangle। हमें AC दिया है, that is 10 centimeter, हमने AM भी फाइंड कर लिया है, that is 6 centimeter। हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है, what we need to find out is CM। Okay, so we'll just go to it। In right angle triangle CMA by Pythagoras theorem, now see student, Pythagoras theorem you can only and only use when your triangle is a right angle। right angle है तो ही आप Pythagoras theorem यूज़ करेंगे, नहीं तो फिर आपको हेलेंस फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, जो हमने आपको पहले बताया था, क्यूब रूट s माइनस a s माइनस b s माइनस c। यस, तो वो वाला फॉर्मूला आपको यूज़ करना है, लेकिन सिंस यहाँ पे राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है तो हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ही यूज़ करेंगे। लेंथ CA स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ CM स्क्वायर प्लस लेंथ AM स्क्वायर। CA, the length is 10 centimeter, which is already been given to us, which is also the radius of the circle. So 10 square, that is 100. Then we don't know the value of CM, so we'll keep it length CM square as it is, and AM that we found it out, that is 6 centimeter. So the square of 6 centimeter, that is 36. So length CM square is equal to 100 minus 36. So length CM square is equal to 64. The square root of 64, that is 8. So the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. So with this student, we have completed exercise 17.1. I hope you have understood it well, and with this student, thank you.